Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. Dealing with audio issues can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to enjoy your favorite show or movie. If you're facing a silent screen, don't worry. In this guide, we will explore how to fix Panasonic TV no sound. By following these steps, you'll be back to binge watching in no time. Step 1. Check the volume and mute settings. Before diving into more technical solutions, let's start with the basics. First, grab your Panasonic TV remote and make sure that the volume is turned up. Press the volume up button and see if any change occurs. Next, check that the TV isn't muted. You might have accidentally hit the mute button. Alternatively, verify that the sound isn't muted on any external device connected to your TV, like a cable box or a streaming device. Subtle issues like these are often overlooked, can be the quickest fixes. Step 2. Still no sound? Let's look at the hardware. Inspect all the audio cables and connections. Ensure that they are properly plugged in and not damaged. If you're using HDMI, check for any loose or frayed wires. You might want to unplug and then securely replug the cables to ensure a firm connection. If possible, use alternate cables to rule out the issue of faulty wires. For those using optical cables, make sure they are clean and inserted correctly. Step 3. Conduct a sound test. Your Panasonic TV has built-in diagnostics to help pinpoint the issue. Access the TV's audio settings by pressing the menu button on your remote and navigating to the audio or sound section. Look for an option to conduct a sound test or check speaker settings. Performing this test can help determine if the issue lies within the TV's internal speakers or perhaps an external device. Ensure that the correct audio output is selected. Sometimes toggling between audio output options can resolve connectivity glitches. Ensure that the correct audio output is selected. Sometimes toggling between audio output options can resolve connectivity glitches. Step 4. Update firmware or reset the TV. It's possible that a firmware bug might be affecting your TV's sound. Check for any available firmware updates. You can usually find this option in the Settings menu under Support or Software Update. Follow the on-screen instructions to update to the latest firmware version. If updating doesn't solve the problem, consider doing a factory reset. Go to Settings, then Reset or Initialize, and follow the prompts. Remember, a factory reset will revert your TV to its original settings, so be sure to save any custom settings you wish to keep. Step 5. Contact Panasonic support. If all else fails, it might be time to reach out for expert assistance. Visit Panasonic's official website or check the user manual for contact information. Their support team can offer advice tailored to your specific model or direct you to a local service center for advanced troubleshooting. They may have additional insights or solutions based on your TV model and the specific issue you're encountering. And there you have it. By following these steps on how to fix Panasonic TV no sound, you should be well on your way to resolving audio issues. Whether it's a quick adjustment to the settings, a cable replacement, or technical support, you're now equipped to tackle it all. As always, take care to follow safety guidelines when handling electronic equipment. Dive back into your entertainment world louder and clearer than ever before. Until next time, happy viewing.